Hello, my name is Zainab. I'm 7 years old in grade 3. What's Ghostify? Using drones to locate the rubbish in the beach. Then send signal to the locators to go and collect it. But why Ghostify? To teach the people to keep our coast always clean.